In the vast expanse of our world, a silent war wages on. The adversary? Climate change. The weapon of choice? Science. And in the heart of this battle stands a man whose work is revolutionizing our understanding of the climate and weather systems. Dr. James Stalker. In the early 2000s, Dr. Stalker identified a key deficiency in climate science: the inability to accurately quantify climate change. Just as a doctor cannot treat a patient without a precise diagnosis, we cannot address climate change without accurately measuring its scale and impact. Dr. Stalker, armed with his expertise in math, physics, computational fluid dynamics, atmospheric science, and computer science, spent over 2 decades of his career developing a solution to this problem. His answer came in the form of the RESPR weather climate simulation technology. Imagine a sandbox, but instead of sand and toys, it's filled with complex algorithms and high-performance computing capabilities. That's the RESPR simulator. Based on the Stalker method for computational fluid dynamics and numerical weather prediction modeling, this simulator goes beyond simply interpolating state variables. It delves deep to resolve all relevant underlying physical processes. Output. Funding this project, which requires high-resolution modeling and larger-than-usual investments, might seem daunting. But when we consider the potential for global GDP growth, the scales tip in favor of the RESPR project. With an estimated annual GDP growth of at least 1%, the global investments for the RESPR project will be a tiny fraction, just 0.23%. The RESPR project is not a distant dream. It is a reality that can start showing results in months and reach full completion in 5 years. And the cost? Proportional to each country's landmass, with global investments coming to around $40 billion over land, and an additional estimated $160 billion to cover oceanic areas. As we stand on the precipice of a climate catastrophe, the world needs to seize the opportunity that Dr. Stalker's work presents. His life's work, the fruits of his labor over the past 2 to 3 decades, are ripe for the picking. Investing in the RESPR project and the future Stalker Research Institutes is not just funding a project, it's investing in our future. It's a testament to our collective commitment to combat climate change. In the grand scheme of things, the cost of inaction far outweighs the cost of action. It's time to move beyond the status quo, embrace cutting-edge technology, and unite in our efforts to safeguard our world. The RESPR project is a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It's a reminder that when we come together for a common cause, we can overcome any challenge, no matter how big or small, even climate change. So, let's remember the 5 key takeaways from this story. 1. The status quo is detrimental. 2. Cutting-edge technology is available now. 3. The world needs to take advantage of Dr. Stalker's work. 4. The investments for the global RESPR project are worth the benefits. And 5. The Stalker Research Institutes will expedite all related research efforts globally for years to come. This is not just a story about Dr. Stalker or the RESPR project. It's a story about us, about our world, and about our future. More importantly, it's a story about getting things done. And it's a story that compels every one of us to act.